welcome back to another video. Today we're at Bird of Prey Rescue Sanctuary, and she helps birds with sore wings or anything. And we're parked up a nice spot, and I'll show you a couple of birds in the video. So yeah, she has 3 dogs, which is Rubik's, Prada, and Zara. And this is our spot. I will show you. And I will show you some of the birds, also some of the birds. So she has an owl and stuff. I don't reckon you can see in that enclosure, but there's a bird in there. And there's a big eagle in there that I'm going to show you. And there's an owl in here somewhere. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!